This is the card holder. Let's learn. First, we would make a rough sketch of how we want our card holder to look, and then we would trace that out on a piece of paper that we call pattern. Pick the leather that we want to use for the different parts and trace out the pattern on the leather. We would use any glue to stick the different pieces together. Now we need to put a marking on the leather where we would be punching holes for the stitching. The tools that I'm using here are already mentioned in my bio. Using the holes that we have just punched, we would be stitching all the pieces together. Stitching is not that easy. I would be making another video on that. And with a little bit of finishing touch, the card holder is ready.